Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is now in session. We're in session with our special review docket, which is scheduled for today's date of March 3rd, 2022 at 9 a.m. First case that we have is cause number 323486. Case is styled the State of Texas versus Jasmine Tanisha Bates. We have Ms. Bates appearing via Zoom. Ms. Bates, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Bates, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Bates, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth will help you God?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Bates, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Bates?
Making it through the day.
Okay. Ms. Bates, I'm doing fine. Now, Ms. Bates, your attorney is Attorney Langston Adams. Mr. Adams, how are you doing? Oh, your mic is on mute, Mr. Adams.
Hey, no, I'm here, Judge. I'm doing good.
Okay. Ms. Bates, I have before me a document that is titled Information. This document was filed by the District Attorney's Office. And in this document, it alleges that on or about April 22nd of 2019, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of failure to identify a fictitious name. Ms. Bates, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes.
And to this charge, Ms. Bates, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Now, Ms. Bates, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Bates, I have before me another document. This document is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. It is also labeled as State's Exhibit number 1. On page 2 of this document, there are a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked nolo contendere, which means no contest. Ms. Bates, did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On the next page of the same document, Ms. Bates, there is a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Ms. Bates, did you sign this document?
Yes, sir.
On the next document, which is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, Ms. Bates, there is a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Did you also sign this document?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this same document, there are 2 boxes that's checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The second box states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Bates, did you sign a document out there on paper that is titled Discovery Certification?
Just now, yes, sir.
Okay, now, Ms. Bates, prior to signing and initialing the documents that I have just mentioned to you, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes.
And did you read and understand everything in these documents?
Yes.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Ms. Bates, are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, sir.
State, I have before me State's Exhibit number 1, the misdemeanor plea admonishment. State, you also like to offer State's Exhibit number 2,
Yes,
the
Your Honor.
probable cause affidavit.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Adams, do you have any objections? Your mic is on mute, Mr. Adams. Mr. Adams, your mic is on mute.
Hey, Judge, can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
My mic is acting up.
Okay, Mr.
It's
Adams,
better.
do you have any objections to
No
State's
objection,
Exhibit
Judge.
1 and 2? Okay, no objection.
No.
State's Exhibits 1 and 2 are admitted. Mr. Adams, you advised and counseled Ms. Bates. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
None. I have no evidence of that.
And Ms. Bates, your attorney, Mr. Adams, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Bates, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
What
Yes.
is that agreement?
Your Honor, the agreement is for 5 days' time served with court costs to be taxed to the card.
Okay, Ms. Bates, the state is offering that you serve 5 days in the Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not have to serve any time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 5 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you will be given credit for time served. The court cost in this case is $342, but you will not have to pay the court cost because the time that you spent in jail has already paid it off. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Ms. Bates, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Bates, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. Bates, this will conclude your case. Please follow the bailiff and you have a blessed day.
Sir, excuse me. I
I
wanted to
know, I
ask,
know, I know what she's gonna ask, Judge. I help her out. She's also there on some tickets, right?